Many friends receive the binoculars. It will not be used correctly. Today we will record an issue for you. Video of using binoculars correctly. We use binoculars into 3 steps. The first step is to adjust the eye mask. There are 2 types of eye mask on the market. One is a rotary eye mask. One is folded eye mask. Our friends wearing glasses during the use of binoculars. For example, a rotary eye mask like this. Observation can be done directly. Friends who don't wear glasses, you can directly lift its rotary eye mask, then make an observation. Folding eye mask like this. Our friends who don't wear glasses, you can directly observe. If you wear glasses, fold the mask down. Like this, then we will complete the first step. The second step is to adjust the pupil distance. Everyone has different pupil distances. The pupil distance between adults and children is different. This requires us to move our lens barrel up and down to adjust to a suitable pupil distance. Make the images in your barrel overlap, even if the adjustment is successful. Similarly, this with binoculars is also adjusted in the same way. Just adjust the ray position. Step 3. Focus. There are 2 ways to focus on the market. One is central focus. This is central focus. One is independent focus. When we look at different goals from far to near, turn our center focus wheel. Just adjust our image clearly. Independent focus telescope. We adjust the eyepieces on both sides separately. Just make your eyes clear. This basically adjusts. One more thing is our parallax fine-tuning function. For example, some friends have parallax in their eyes. One eye 100 degrees, one eye 400 degrees. In this case, naked eye observation is desired. We need to turn the center focus wheel first. Make the left eye clearer. Then turn the parallax adjustment ring on the right. We also have poorer mirrors. The parallax adjustment ring on the right. Just adjust the clarity of the right eye clearly. If there is no parallax, friend, do not turn this parallax adjustment ring. Do not turn it, just return the scale to 0. And the same is true here. Reset its scale to 0. Just don't adjust yet. Finally, there are a few things to note when using a telescope. We will post it at the end of the video. You can save the screenshot. We will update later. More video explanations about telescope knowledge. Thank you for watching. See you next time.